Maintenance windows temporarily disable a service, including all of its integrations, for a set period of time that you configure. While a service is in maintenance window, its integrations are disabled, no new incidents can trigger. When a maintenance window ends, incidents can then trigger on the service again. If you have incidents currently open on a service when the maintenance window begins, they remain open and will continue to notify users as expected unless they've been acknowledged or resolved. So in the web UI, we can put together maintenance windows for as many services as we need to. So if you're doing some work on a major component of an architecture that has a lot of components in it, you can set the same maintenance window for all of those components. So to set a maintenance window, you go to services, and we'll look in our service directory. And I'm going to find the service I want to start the maintenance window on. So I've selected my Fabulous Shop database. On the right-hand side, where beside New Incident, you'll see this More button with a little triangle, and we're going to schedule maintenance. Below that, you'll also see Disable Service, which allows you to temporarily disable the service in PagerDuty. It retains its configuration. It's just effectively turned off for everything else that PagerDuty will do with it. It's a more permanent solution or a more longer-term solution for things like maintenance. We don't have that requirement, so we're going to put together a maintenance window for a couple of my Fabulous Shop services, and we're going to be doing some database maintenance. And we can start now and run it for a preset number of minutes or hours. So you can see the option here is to start now and end in 15, 30, 60, 2 hours, or 4 hours. Or I can set a scheduled time. So if I know I want to do maintenance this weekend, I'm in the Eastern time, I can go to, maybe I'm going to do this Saturday morning after I get back from the gym. So like it's 10 o'clock, and we'll leave it there, and I'll set it for an hour. And then we, again, down here, the warning: during a maintenance window, all events and alerts sent to the affected services will be ignored. No incidents will be created and no notifications will be sent. So that's good to remember. So we create this maintenance window and we're good to go. Now, if I want to find where my maintenance windows are, I can go to service directory, and at the top, I find the maintenance windows tab. I have some old ones. Here's my one for tomorrow. If I need to change it, I can hit this update button. I get the dialog box again, and we can save changes or even delete it. So if I no longer need this maintenance window, I can go ahead and delete it, and that will be taken care of. So no longer have that. Easy enough to do. Thanks for joining us for this tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, or you'd like to send us some feedback, you can join us on the PagerDuty forums at community.pagerduty.com. We would love to hear from you. If you like this part of our product and have good experience with it, give us a shout. If you have any other questions or comments, please let us know. In the meantime, we'll wish you an uneventful day.